Welcome back everybody, I'm Alain and this is the devlog for my RPG BattleJuice Alchemist. In the last devlog I already mentioned that I was working on a new feature in the game called Haunted Places, and today I'd like to give you a little preview of what they will be all about. Those of you who have already played in the playtest on Steam might know that there's a boss at the end. This creature is simply called the Nightmare and is fought in close combat. In BattleJuice Alchemist, this is not the only way you engage with enemies. There's also ranged combat that is very similar to how you usually fight in classic action RPGs. I wanted to have boss fights in this perspective as well, and the concept I came up with is the Haunted Places. Ghosts and demons possessing humans and animals are a big theme in BattleJuice Alchemist. They pour into the real worlds from the crossroads, that is a spiritual realm of some kind, and haunted places are sites where the barrier between the real worlds and the crossroad is very thin. The first prototype of such a place is the chopping block, a site where many people were executed by beheading. In game terms, the player has to solve a little riddle related to the nature of the haunted place to activate it. The place then comes to life with ghostly power and attacks the player. A haunted place has multiple attacks at its disposal. For example, it can spawn minions that will go after the player. For the chopping block, these minions are reanimated headless corpses. The chopping block also attacks with an area effect in the form of bloody rain or a giant spray of blood. Last but not least, the chopping block can send flying axes after the player. They do quite a lot of damage and should be avoided. The player can defeat a haunted place in a very traditional way by dealing enough damage. To make this an even more interesting challenge, I am currently experimenting with haunted sites being immune to certain types of damage, so the player is encouraged to play around with different flasks and builds. If the player is able to defeat a haunted place, a nice reward can be chosen. Defeating also levels up a haunted place, so it will be an even greater challenge if it is activated another time. So this wraps up today's devlog. Please let me know in the comments what you think about the concept of the haunted places, and if you like this video, you can check out my channel and maybe consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and take care. Bye!